Hi everyone, this is Manshu Gorangalia and this is my English YouTube channel, and I want to share with you about psychology and method master kit. Work with your subconscious mind. I want to give you as always example of from my own life and explain to you like how this really works. Yeah, master kit. I wrote it down so I won't forget. Okay, I have this goal and my dream from long time ago. I want to visit US. I want to visit US and see the country myself with my own eyes. And then I started to work on this goal from month March and using everyday method master kit, and let's see if it's going to happen. Okay, if I removed all my fears or my subconscious negative thought, fears, subconscious statements, if that's going to happen. Yeah, so this is example. I started every day. I use Ready Simulator in Master Kit. It's called in Russian it's called Norma. In English it's going to be I don't know what's direct translation, but there is like Ready X that you will use for your situation and repeat a few times until you completely understood, until your subconscious mind, until you have an insight or thought comes to your mind or change your mood, emotions or idea comes to your mind, then it worked. If it didn't come, it means you are doing something wrong. You have to watch the video instruction. So I started to do this every day and research about America, how to travel there, how much the flight ticket, where I want to go. I want to go to Seattle, town Olympia. I want to see Los Angeles and visit one of the event of Master Kit if this is going to happen upcoming at the end of this year or next year. But then happened like this. Happened that I wanted this so badly that I want it right now, not tomorrow or not after 1 year. I want now. And then I told this to my husband, and then I realized my biggest fear or my biggest subconscious statement that if I don't achieve this goal, my trip to the US now, then later after some time I will forget about it. I will move on. I will start a new goal, a new dream. And that's the thing that I found it in my head that I have this. That's why I always rush in. That's why I told my husband that I told him, okay, let's save money. Let's do everything in order to go to the US. And I wanted to go badly now, excited now. Then I realized why I'm rushing. Why I'm rushing? Because if it is your healthy dream, like I mentioned in my previous videos, if it's your real dream and healthy dream, you shouldn't not have any deadline. You should not rush, because if it is yours, it will happen to you in your life itself. If you start to do action, if you work with Master Kit, if you do the exercises correctly every day, then it will happen in your life. Then I started to dig in. Okay, what happens to me if I forget about this goal to go to the US? Yeah, I forgot. What happens? What bad thing will happen to me? And then I found if I didn't achieve this goal, it means I'm a loser. It means I didn't finish until the end. I'm moving to another goal. And then I said to myself, if it is really true, am I really a loser if I forget about this goal? Then I remember about my previous situation when I really left the goal, but there are my goals that I achieved it. You know, I achieved it in the end of the day. So I said to myself, this is not really true. And it's impossible to forget about this, my goal, because my husband knows. He will remind me sometime later, and I have my notebooks full written about this, and I have my note written in my phone that which places I want to visit in the US and everywhere. So it's impossible to forget about this goal. And then, 1 second. Oh, yes. About the feedback. When people, okay, in the Master Kit, we believe that every feedback from any situation happens in your life, or feedback from people around you, it's not just happening out of sudden, accidentally. No. If you receive a feedback from someone and it really emotionally affected you, it means that's your subconscious statement. You need to work on it. If it's affected you emotionally, if it didn't, then it's the subconscious statement of that person. In Master Kit, we believe that everything that's happening, it has a reason, and we believe that the feedback you receive from the world, from the people around you, it's very, very important, because that's the thing that actually it's like small tips for you to see what you are not seeing yourself, to see and work on those areas. So I worked on this area, and I found out my weakness, that I'm really rushing to this trip. But then I work on it, and I found my reasons, and now I'm going to continue working on it, but I'm not rushing anymore. I know I will go to the US trip one day, and I know I will work on saving more money and go with my husband. So I hope my example was clear, and please leave me a comment. And if you want to know more about Master Kit, let me know. Bye.